For magic milk, the materials needed are a bowl or shallow dish, milk that's either whole fat or 2% fat, food colorings of your choice, some dish soap, and a cotton swab. Firstly, pour some milk into a shallow dish or bowl until the milk covers the bottom. Then, add 3 to 4 drops of each food coloring onto the milk. Dip the cotton swab into the dish soap and place it onto the center of the milk. Now, watch as the colors dance across the surface of the milk. So, how does this work? At first, the food coloring stays on the surface, but the soap causes a chemical reaction that breaks the surface tension. This is because milk is a mixture of water, fat, vitamins, and minerals. When soap is added to the milk, it helps separate the water and fat in the milk. As the soap molecules connect to the fat molecules, the molecules of the food coloring get pushed around everywhere, resulting in an explosion of color. As the majority of soap molecules attach to fat molecules, and the soap spread throughout the milk, the color explosion will slow and eventually stop. This experiment works best with 2% and whole milk because they contain more fat. Poke holes in a ziplock. The materials needed are 1 ziplock bag, sharpened pencils, and a jug of water. Firstly, fill a ziplock bag half full of water. And zip it closed. Ensure that it is zipped tightly. Secondly, hold a pencil in one hand while you use the other hand to poke the pencil all the way through the ziplock bag. Then, have the pencil go in on one side and come out all the way on the other side. Repeat with more pencils if you want to. You can see that no water spills out of the hole. This is because Ziploc bags are made of a polymer which is strong, flexible chains of molecules. When you poke the pencil through the bag, the molecules spread apart and seal themselves around the pencil. Hence, you are allowed to poke holes into a Ziploc bag without any water leaking out. For this experiment, the materials needed are some whiteboard markers, a shallow dish, and a jug of water. First, draw shapes, stick figures, or letters on your dish with the whiteboard marker. Then, pour water into the dish slowly. Gently swirl the water around to make the picture dance and move. When you draw on the surface of a smooth dish, the solvent that dissolves the ink ingredients will evaporate. This leaves the color, pigment, and polymer behind on the surface. The oily silicone polymer in the whiteboard marker prevents it from sticking to the dish. Hence, you should have observed that your drawing magically detached from the plate and rose to the water's surface. As a special polymer in the ink prevents the ink from attaching to the dish, hence, water can slip underneath as the ink is lighter than water, which makes it float.